can you tell me what it is about you that you could bring to the team?
Yeah, well, I think that honestly, my biggest strength is that I get laser focused, and whenever I start a task, you can't break my attention. Um, Sorry. Whenever I start a task, it's impossible to break my attention until I am.
I'm sorry, are we having a Wi-Fi problem?
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
You were saying that you're laser focused?
Yeah. I think you're right. I think there's an internet connection problem. I think that we should do this another time.
On a spaceship? I'm gonna
I shot you down.
No! So do you like cats?
I'm actually allergic. So.
You're funny. Do you like skinny cats or fat cats?
I guess the fat ones have more fur, so I'm more allergic to them.
Right?
Yeah, they shed a lot.
You're
cool.
so funny. But would you like to meet my fatty patty? Yeah. Oh my god, are you gonna fix that?
Yeah.
Change the battery.
I'll go do that. Ah!